All right, this is my 2007 Ford Explorer Sport Trac, and the sway bar bushing, they are worn out, as you can see here. It's a fairly simple job. I'm going to show you how to replace them. This is on the passenger side, and that is on the driver's side right there. So we're going to go through how to replace these. Again, I'm not a mechanic. I am just a DIYer that tries to save a little bit of money, and when I do these jobs, I share them on YouTube so other people who want to try it on their own have an idea of how other people have done it. There might be some, in quotes, mistakes I make compared to actual mechanics. So this is not mechanical advice. This is how a DIYer has done it. Okay. Start off by securing your vehicle with axle stands. So that's what I've done here. So these are 15mm heads on these bolts. You're going to loosen these off. Now there's a good chance that they're going to be super stubborn, just like these ones are, where I'm reefing as hard as I can, they're barely moving. So if that happens to you, loosen half a turn, tighten half a turn. Loosen 3/4 to 1 turn, tighten half a turn. And like that, what happens is, it's just like if you're cutting a new thread, what you're doing is you're allowing stuff to get loosened up in the thread channels, and it'll work its way out rather than potentially eating the threads and getting the bolt seized, and then you'll have to extract the bolt. Okay, so that's the technique I used. Out a bit, in a bit, out a bit, in a bit. Added penetrating oil to it so that when I was tightening the bolts back in, penetrating oil was getting soaked in. So when I got both the bolts off, now that clip just drops. All right, now you can take this rubber bushing out. So you can see here. You can slide it out like that and then just pull it out. All right, take your new bushing, put it over, slide it into place. So I'm going to take these bolts here, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of penetrating oil on them, and by hand I'm going to put them in and out of the threads a couple times, just to clean out the thread a little bit. Just like this. So I can feel like there's some tight threads in there, so I'm going to want to just run these through there a couple times. Helps to loosen it up. This one's even worse. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through here a little. So now you're going to say to me, those holes don't line up. That's okay. You know what? What you're going to do is, there's different ways to do this, but let's do it the easy way. Get yourself a ratcheting tie down, and then just crank it, and it'll pull that torsion bar back, and then you can get it lined up. Okay, just like that. Now we got the one side done. We're going to loosen our strap. Go to the other side. Nope. Okay, and then on the other side, tighten it down, just like we did on the first side, and you are done. Take your vehicle for a test drive and make sure it drives nice.